Mr. 300C in the building, in the garage. We have a quick video tonight. Time to go in this trunk. And we gotta get this thing blue. Gotta get it blue. I want a blue trunk. Inside's already done. So we're gonna get that swapped out. We are also going to be taking out these yellow lights in here and making these white. So you can see that license plate real good at night. So this one's gonna be quick, shouldn't be too bad. What we need to do, angles are so hard. See the two clips? Boom, boom. Just gotta squeeze those in and pull the plate down so we can get access to the bulb. All right, plate is down. I just grabbed a screwdriver, flathead, and press the sides so it can just come down, very easy. Now you can see the bulb, and what I suggest is get some pliers and a cloth so that way you can pull the bulb out without cracking it and not burn your hand. So let's get that out. All right, got the bulb out, easy peasy. Not touching it because it's too hot. And I'm gonna pop this bad boy in here. Very easy. As you can see, it's gonna slide right in there. Piece of cake. All right, bulb is in. Kind of hard to see these lights on, but yeah, put the cover back on and you are done. All right, let's go see it at night. Flash is off. Okay, blue light special in the trunk. Nice and dim. Cool. Bada bing, bada boom. Next, we are getting the license plate bulb. We're taking those out. Gotta lay down on the ground. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws we gotta take out. And then we could pull this down, take the bulb out. Pretty simple job here. Get a screwdriver, or if you got a drill, get that Phillips, call it a day. All right, got the screws taken out. I'm lying on my back. Woo! It's gonna kill my neck. All right, so this is loose now, and I can just move it, slide it out, like so, and I can expose the bulb. So yeah, I just gotta twist that off to the left, and you can take the bulb out. There's the bulb. Pretty easy, pull it out. Then we're gonna put this one in. Self-explanatory, yada, yada, yada. All right, so I swapped out the bulb. This only turns on when the car is on, FYI. So you have to start the engine to make sure that the light works on. So I just tested this one, and I'm going to put it back in the cover. Voila. And then put the screws back in, and then we'll do the other side and we'll see the finished product. All right, yo, let's go take a look at these LED license plate. Gotta start the car up so we can take a little peep peep. It's gonna be loud. There it is. All right, let's go. I like how it shines on the bottom, like it's like a beam. That's pretty cool. Super cool. All right, let me know if you got any questions. Mr. 300C is out. Peace.